Here is how to set a goal like a boss that you will actually hit. The goal has to be clear. Saying I want money is meaningless. I want to be rich. Saying I want to make $1 million in net profit in 2 or 3 years, that's a real goal. But here's the problem with goals. Number one, the time frame is awful. A year is too long, 6 months is too long. 90-day mini sprints is one of the keys to my success. Every goal is a 90-day sprint broken down. So maybe that goal of making that $1 million in net profit starts with, I'm going to go to 2 conferences in the next 90 days and try to get 20 leads and hopefully convert one of them. That's a really attainable goal. Number 2, the goal is completely unrealistic. You have to set goals that make sense to you and where you are at your life. Work small and think on a bigger timeline. Number 3, you have to get a coach. I have many coaches, paddle coaches, 2 business coaches, an education coach, a dental coach. All these consultants help me think bigger and help me think clearer and get me to where I need to go because it involves accountability. And the last thing, and this is honestly one of the most important things about setting a goal, you have to put it in the calendar. If it's not in the calendar, it's not real and it didn't happen. Stop wasting your time, start setting realistic goals. And for God's sake, don't set too many goals. You get 2. I have 6, but I've been doing this a long time. And then when you hit your goals, you might end up on the beach in Jumeirah Beach Residencies in Dubai smoking a cigar. That could happen.